Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. M.K. Dev from the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University. Today, I shall discuss on Fcra, that means the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 1976 was enacted with the prime objective of regulating the acceptance and utilizations of foreign contribution and foreign hospitality by persons and associations working in the important areas of national life. Later, the Foreign Contribution Act 2010 has come into effect from 1st May 2011. The Ministry of Home Affairs has issued the necessary notification dated on 29th April 2011 in this regard. The Foreign Contribution 2011 made under Section 48 of Fcra 2010. Therefore, the Fcra rules 2011 have come into force simultaneously with Fcra 2010. Now, here are some salient features of the Act. Number 1. Any association granted prior permission or registered with the central government under Section 6 or under the repealed Fcra 1976 shall be deemed to have been granted prior permission or registered as the case may be under Fcra 2010. Number 2. Such registrations shall be valid for a period of 5 years from the date on which the new Act has come into force. While the provisions of the repealed Fcra 1976 have generally been retained, the Fcra 2010 is an improvement over the repealed Act as more stringent provisions have been made in order to prevent the misutilization of the foreign contribution received by the associations. Any organizations of a political nature and any association or company engaged in production and broadcast of audio or audiovisual news or current affairs program have been placed in the category prohibited to accept foreign contribution. A new provision has been made to the effect that no person who receives foreign contribution as per the provisions of this Act shall transfer to other person unless that the person is also authorized to receive foreign grant as per the rules made by the central government. New provision has also been made for the management of foreign contribution and assets created out of such contribution of persons whose certificates have been cancelled. No funds other than foreign contributions shall be deposited in the FC account to be separately maintained by the associations, etc. Every bank shall report to such authority as may be prescribed the amount of foreign remittance received, sources and manner, and other particulars. A new provision has been introduced to the effect that assets of any person who has become defunct shall be disposed of in such manner as may be specified by the central government. Now, any person contravening the provisions of the Act shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years or with fine or with both. Thank you.